What's up y'all, it's Jesse, and today I'm showing you how to build this awesome popcorn cart. I was inspired by the costume from the CMF Series 23 Popcorn Kid and wanted to implement this mold into a build or use it as a sign somehow. I designed this classic looking popcorn cart that you would see at a carnival or a county fair, and for the popcorn vendor I used the body from the Series 17 hot dog guy. I think the red and white checkered apron really vibes with this cart and helps give it that carnival feel. I hope you guys enjoy this build. If you do, throw a comment down below or subscribe if you haven't already. And speaking of subscribers, I'm hitting 10K subscribers here on YouTube, and I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of you for sticking with me this whole time. I know I haven't been super active here on YouTube, but it does mean so much to see this channel start to grow. I have a lot of plans for future videos and content coming up, so stay tuned. And I also started a Patreon for Brick Design, where I will be uploading a ton of free instructions, giving away stickers, and a whole lot more. So if you want to support me or this channel, you can become a Brick Design Patreon. Link is in the description below. As always, enjoy the video and happy building.